Little Flower Degree College, Uppal, run by the Brothers of St. Gabriel Educational Society, ventured into its 12th year with its Montfortian mission of transforming young teenagers into leaders, leading to illuminate the society by not just promoting intellectual excellence, but emotional maturity, moral sensitivity, scientific temper, healthy competition, sportsmanship, and nation building. LFDC is affiliated to Osmania University. We thank God Almighty for His guidance through our journey from a humble beginning to where we are right now as one of the most prestigious institutions in the Twin Cities. A two-day faculty refresher and orientation program was organized by the management to welcome the teachers to a new academic year. The first day, Dr. Father Vijay motivated the faculty and highlighted the importance of personality development, stressing on the importance of accepting oneself. And on the second day was Mrs. Shubha C. Venugopal talking on the topic of multiple intelligence and positive discipline. She differentiated the individual differences and the ways it can be applied in real life.
Student orientation. The students of 2nd and 3rd year were welcomed back to the new academic year with an orientation program organized by the management. The guest speaker, Dr. Anita Evangeline, Additional Director of Forensic Laboratories, motivated the students with her talk on self-esteem and self-confidence, which is the need of the hour. For students of 1st year, the new academic year commenced with an orientation program. Principal Reverend Brother Vincent Reddy welcomed the students by giving them an overview of the founders of the institution. The guest speaker of the day, Mr. Mohammad Yusuf, highlighted the importance of goals and planning in a student's life. He emphasized the importance of hard work, teamwork, and dedication.
Provincial Superior's visit. Students were motivated on various aspects of life during Reverend Brother Jaco Gervas's visit to the college, the Provincial Superior of Province of Pune. He had an interactive session with the students and had enlightened them on various domains.
Investiture ceremony. A student council election was held to nominate the council members, followed by an investiture ceremony during which the elected members were adorned with sashes and honored with badges. The chief guest, Mr. Naveen Mittal, IAS, Commissioner of Collegiate Education and Technical Education at Government of Telangana, administered the oath to the cabinet. And in his address to the elected cabinet, he encouraged them saying, leadership is not only a position but also a responsibility, and a leader does not need a title because everyone is a leader in their daily lives. Freshers Party. A merry freshers party was organized by the management and the students of 2nd and 3rd year to welcome the first year students in a cheerful manner. Cultural programs with energetic and dazzling dance performances, amusing mimicry, and mesmerizing songs were the highlight of the day. The graduates of the previous academic year who secured ranks in Common Postgraduate Entrance Test 2019-20 were felicitated and were awarded with mementos and cash prizes, which motivated the freshers to reach similar heights of success in the future.
Teachers' Day. To express their gratitude towards the teachers, the students celebrated a fun and joyful Teachers' Day in the campus. It was a time to unwind from their daily schedule as they celebrated and enthusiastically participated in the competitions and conducted by the students.
Christmas. The college celebrated Christmas with great enthusiasm, and the management presented gifts to all the participants of the program. Students participated actively in the celebration, and also a nativity skit was performed by the students.
Clubs. Being a part in college clubs and organizations alongside academic responsibilities allows a student to practice not only discipline but also time management. Involvement in club demonstrates a student's ability to manage his or her schedule with academics and social activities. Alan during the Physical Science Club organized various events such as student as teachers, Sudoku competition, and environmental awareness program. Aristotle Psychology Club has organized various competitions such as group and individual activities, Just a Minute, Give a Caption, and Debate. Johann Mendel, the Life Sciences Club, celebrated World Nutrition Day and preparation of Lozipis. The Horizon Club, English Literary Club, conducted Taper Tale competition. Vernacular Voices, the Language Club, conducted creative speaking and creative writing competition. Lenvin, Little Flower Environmental Initiative, organized model presentations on the topic Go Green, Reduce, Reuse, Recycle and Refund.
Life. The Little Flower Extension had organized various charitable activities ranging from educating the poor, sharing a meal, and also organized a free medical camp to the neighboring surroundings. NCC. The college had facilitated the students of the National Cadet Corps to go to various camps.
NSS volunteers participated at various events such as International Yoga Day, Rally with National Flag, NSS Day celebrations. Department of Management conducted seminars by the students on HR projects and globalization on HR policy. The Department of Statistics conducted a certificate course on SPSS and National Project on Economic Crisis Survey. The Department of Library Sciences organized model and chart presentations and had a talk on auditing of library books. There were movie screenings by the Department of Humanities, English and Second Languages. The Science Department organized science fair, share a meal and flash mobs as their extension activities. Intra-college competitions. The Department of English and Languages organized various competitions namely jam, word building, memory game, jumble words, self-introduction, haiku, essay writing and public speaking. Inter-college competitions. Manasa, Tarun and Pratyusha of 3rd MPC BZC won second prize in poster presentation at Osmania University. Saujanya of BCom CA won first prize in oral test at St. Joseph's Degree College. Pranav, Surya, Thirumalaya, Nitish of 3rd MSCS and MECS won second prize for time to start up at Bhavan's Degree College.
Guest lectures. Guest lectures help students improve their learning in a more interactive, topic-specific way. These can be very helpful not only for the students but can also contribute to teachers' knowledge and practices. The Department of Electronics organized a guest lecture in the month of July on the topic Career Opportunities in Electronics. The Biotechnology Department organized a guest lecture on cancer diagnosis treatment. The Department of Mathematics organized 2 guest lectures on the topics vector analysis and differential calculus. The Department of Statistics organized on network analysis. The Department of Microbiology conducted on microorganisms on plant versus microorganisms of human beings and mitochondria etiology of common complex diseases. The Department of Library has organized on importance and usage of library. The Department of Languages organized on the topics Higher Education in France, Importance of Sanskrit, Telangana Bhasha Dinotsavam. The Chemistry Department organized a lecture on analytical techniques. The Zoology Department organized on DNA isolation and fingerprinting and case study. The Department of Physics organized it on spectroscopy. The Department of Commerce organized auditing practices. The Department of Political Science organized a lecture on Kashmir, then and now, and human rights and education. The Department of Computer Science organized on middleware technology, cyber security, and an interactive session with IT and graduates.
Workshops and seminars. The Department of Mathematics has organized intra-collegiate and national workshop on numerical computations. The Department of Physics organized on drones. The Department of Computer Science organized on IoT, PHP and MySQL. The Department of English organized on future of book publishing. Attended. Ms. Dhwani from the Department of Statistics has attended on the topic Outcome-Based Education at St. Pius Degree College. Ms. Usha Rani from the Department of Microbiology attended panel discussion on National Education at Badruka College. Ms. Harini, Faculty French Department, has attended at OU and Alliance Francaise on the topic French Teaching Resources. The Department of Commerce attended Mission Parishodak on Research Methodology, Advanced Learning and Commerce. Ms. Swati from the Department of Computer Science attended at OU on the topic Cyber Security. Ms. Huma Khan and Ms. Sana Fatima from the Department of English attended a national workshop at St. Francis Degree College for Women, Begumpet on the topic Relevance of Social Sciences in the Age of Technology. Field trips. Going on field trips offers students a unique cultural learning experience. It allows students to be involved in new environments, key to encouraging curiosity about a given subject. It is also valuable as an exercise in broadening a student's understanding of the world and their place in it. The Department of Microbiology visited Professor Jaishankar Agriculture University. Mathematics Department has visited Birla Planetarium. Biotechnology Department visited Sander Life Sciences, Banjara Hills. The Department of Languages went to Potti Sriramulu Telugu University and IICT Tarnaka. The Department of Chemistry visited IICT twice and NIN. The Department of Commerce visited Muscati Dairy Products, Turkayamjil. The Department of Political Science visited High Tech City.
Each department organizes as well as attends FDPs. The Department of Life Science attended an FDP at St. Francis College for Women on the topic Leadership Building and Professionalism at Workplace. Mr. Mariano, Department of Commerce, has attended at International School of Financial Studies on the topic Curriculum Revision for Globalizing Commerce Education. To equip and update the faculty with the contemporary teaching and learning methodology, the Department of Computer Sciences organized for the faculty of Little Flower Degree College and other colleges on the topics Google Classroom, geotag photos and magazine, and use of learning management system. The speakers were Mr. Raman, Mr. Vijay and Ms. Swati. The Department of Statistics has organized an FDP on statistical skills.
Paper presentations. Presenting a paper provides opportunity to learn in detail about a core subject which is a part of curriculum and develop effective presentation skills. Ms. Radha, Faculty of Sanskrit, presented a paper at Government Degree College, Begumpet on the topic Contribution of Telangana Poets in Sanskrit Literature. Dr. Gomati from the Department of Zoology presented a paper on the topic Environmental Biodiversity, Climate Change and Human Health, the Treatment of Vector-Borne Diseases, Dengue in Hyderabad and Impact of Urbanization at Nizam's College. Along with the faculty, students of BA second year presented and published paper on language, literature and media at St. Anne's College for Women.
Department of Hindi celebrated Premchand Jayanti and Hindi Day celebrations. Department of Telugu celebrated Telugu Bhasha Dinotsavam on account of Gidugu Ramamurthy Jayanti. Department of Telugu conducted a guest lecture on account of Kaloji Narayana Rao Jayanti and celebrated Telangana Bhasha Dinotsavam. Department of French conducted an interaction program with the students of Montfort Institution from France.
Sports. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Hence, sports and games are essential for anyone to develop into a healthy person. Students are encouraged to take part in sports and games. Students participated in various competitions such as swimming, athletic championships and represented the Department of Physical Education of LFDC and won various medals and trophies. Yash Verma of BCom General first year won gold medal in swimming at Inter-College Tournament, Osmania University. Arun Kumar of 3rd BSc MPCS won several gold, silver and bronze medals at state level. LFDC 2 organized an intercollegiate basketball tournament from Osmania University at its campus.
Kerala. 4 of our students had gone to Kerala to attend a national conference in Thy Kingdom Come conducted by Xavier Board for Higher Education. EDGE. The Little Flower College had organized a flagship fest known as the EDGE. The EDGE 2K19 was a 2-day fest. First day was Festa Literaria and second day was Kalakshetra. EDGE was unique in its own way. It had thousands of people participating in the intercollegiate competitions. EDGE was visited by various celebrities and thus making it one of the most popular fests of the New Year's Eve.
Therefore, being on par with every former year, Little Flower Degree College continues to thrive and elevate itself in every possible aspect.